So first of all, when you start to use robot and you understand that you would like to trade only 3 pairs, for example, you have to open these 3 pairs and you must go to charts and make here 1 million, better 10 millions, like this. And you have to reboot your MT4 to take effect. You have to reboot your MT4. Like this. Then you go to the historical center, and you have to download M1 for each pairs. Download, press OK. After it download one time, you have to press again download to recalculate all time frames from M1 to all other time frames. I will continue doing this video after I download all. So now it's downloaded one time, so I press again M1 and press again download. So it tell me it must recalculate all time frames. See this? And okay. Now it's recalculated all time frames, so I choose another pairs. I need also GBP/USD. 1 minute. As you can see, it tells us we don't have it, so this is why we have to download it. Download all. So now after we downloaded all, we have to take robot and we have to make non-new trade true and make load historical data in true. In that way, robot will take all market pairs, market watch pairs, and update all time frames and charts. After this script will be finished, you will see in experts something like this. It tells us how many bars he updated at M1, M5, M15, H1 and something like this. And now I will teach you how to use debug function to see does robot work correct from signals you learned in video course. You can find video courses, and for example you would like to study envelope indicators signals. We already started recorded them into envelope because envelope is not so much refined. And now we will take a look at type envelope filter number 1 without keep envelope opposite true. We will use it in false, and you will understand that robot will use current price. It means he will not use closed price of the bar of the previous bar. It will use only current price, and if it's higher than upper band you will see a sell signal. If it's below slow envelope lower band, you will see a buy signal. So first of all you have to download, as I told you before, historical center all M1 pairs that you will trade. After this you have to press again download and update, and first run of the robot must be with no new order in true. There was a no new trade in true, and we updated just historical load historical data in true. After this we can turn off this in false. We will not use it and we will not need it anymore, only first time when you run robot correct. So now we will use XAU-USD or USD and GBP/USD 3 pairs. I will show you how robot works from one chart at all pairs. And now we will use debug in true, so we will see some comments and alerts that robot sent us with signals. But before attach robot, we have to understand what type of signal we will use. We will use type envelope filter number 1 at H1 time frame. In video course it tells us that it use only slow envelope indicators, only slow, no use only one slow envelope indicator parameters. So it means that robot will not use this fast and fast parameters. Robot will not use in that type envelope filter number 1. So we must attach, we can, but we not have to, but we can attach visual template to understand which signals robot generate for us and why he doing this. So I add indicators, trend, envelopes, the same values as we have in robot set. It tells us period 56, shift 0, EMA method is 0, apply to 0. 0, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, step by step. In robot it's a 0, also simple 0. So there is a template for H1. As you can see, this is an envelope indicator for XAUUSD, and I can save this template, as envelope 1, and just can attach at other pairs. As you can see, this envelope H1 for EUR/USD and GBP/USD already attached. I can make it like this, and now I can attach a robot at 3 pairs at any chart I would like, but only at one chart. And multi-pair robot can work from one chart at all pairs. And I check again envelopes, and I don't need keep envelope X opposite. And robot only have to trade once he see at current price is below or above or below the envelope bands. Outside the channel only will be signals. If price will be inside channel, robot will not trade. So let's take a look what signals robot give us. So basically robot give us 3 buy signals. XAUUSD tell us that the ask is the current price. It's below down band slow envelope, and also tell the price of this envelope. It's XAUUSD is here, is 11912. This is correct, and tell us current ask is 1906. This is why robot open a buy order. It telling you for all pairs from one chart. As you can see, I show you like this. Robot work at one chart for other pairs too. Not need to attach robot at all pairs. It will be a big mistake. So the same, you see that EUR/USD have a buy signal because current price below the down slow envelope, and there is also down slow envelope and price below XAUUSD, EUR/USD and GBP/USD, the same buy signals. So we have everywhere H1 signals, but we need to find some time frame where we can see that no signals. This M15 is very good for now for this, to check other opportunity in this tip envelope number object list. We don't need this. Okay, there is, you see that all 3 pairs right now price is inside channel. It's between upper and down lines. So if we will attach same set that we just attached for H1, but we will do some time frame will be 15, and we will make it false. Robot have to not open any order at any pair, because we have no current signal for such TMA type number 1 with keep envelope X opposite false. And we will see no alerts and no signals and no orders. See this? It tells us no signals, as you can see, in experts and no alerts. But once we will attach like this, tip envelope true, keep envelope X opposite. In this case, robot will search. He will search if at current bar no signals, and we will make it true. Robot will look at history to find a previous crosses and keep that signals until opposite signal. It means robot search at history. Some bar must be closed. The price of bar close must be higher than upper band of the envelope, like this. He found that some bar, and robot will keep that signal. So let's check what the signals will be at our example, and why it's make it like this. So let's delete robot, and we will see why robot opened such orders. So let's take a look at XAU-USD. It tells us he found signal 61 bars back. Let's take a look at XAU-USD. Why it did it like this at 10:15? It tells us 61 bars back. So we have to put mouse at last bar and calculate 61 bars back. So the 61 bars back is here. This is a buy signal because this bar closed (61 bars back). This one bar closed below the lower band slow envelope, and it tells us also price of this envelope, 1899. It's correct, and he tells us this bar price closed at 1897. All correct. This is a buy signal for XAU-USD, and robot will keep that buy signal until price will be not until some bar will be not closed at history, or some current price will be not higher than upper band of the envelope. Let's take a look at other pair, EUR-USD. Why open it a buy signal? Because it tells us EUR-USD 93 bars back. 93 bars back. Let's take a look and find 93 bars back. There is 93 bars back. I believe it's already a new bar, this one bar. This one is a buy signal. This is 93 bars back. Bar closed. As you can see, there is no bars that closed below the lower band slow envelope. Sorry. This is why robot found only here. Step by step he calculated every next bar in history and found only here buy signal. As you can see, before there was no sell cross using this line, no bar closed higher than this upper band. This is why robot keep trade in buy. With such parameters for such time frame, you can play around these parameters in robot set and find your best set. And GBP/USD, let's take a look. I also see there is no sell cross was, but here some bars closed below lower band slow envelope, and let's find which one robot found at GBP/USD. Where is this bar? GBP/USD is tell us 74 bar back. 74 bar back. Let's take a look how it's fantastic and clear found. As you can see, this bar is a little bar but closed below this lower band slow envelope. So this is how robot search signals, and he will keep this buy signal until price will not be higher this upper band of envelope. And let's make similar to Renko bars. I will show you how to make it with Renko charts, how to trade robot with Renko bars and Renko charts. You will understand how to search signals. Now we will close this, we don't need this, and we will attach at every chart. At every chart we must attach this. I think we have to reboot because we downloaded history, but we did not reboot MT4 take effect. GBP/USD. See, sometimes it's not buying a lot. If we will do it like this, now it's better. What about options charts? Here is all okay. $100,000, okay. Okay, now it's better. See how you can play with Renko bars with this parameter max bars, so it will find you more bars. So now we will attach also envelope 1, but for some reason it's not similar to H1. Envelope. Indicators envelope. Deviation must be a little bit different for this. Like this. So the Renko is a different stuff. You must understand what you're doing at visual. After this you have to attach same inset. So what we use it 5 deviation for same period. In this case, if you attach robot, for example, we only test GBP/USD, we will do same envelope number 1, time frame 2, but deviation, as we told, will be 5. So there will be a buy signal at current. See this, it's tell us It tells us ask is below thema bands and time frame, envelope down bands low envelope is time frame number 2. This price below this band of the envelope. This is why robot opened a buy, and you can calculate where is the price of the down slow band. It tells us 1.2933 2933 GBP USD. Sorry, I need to make it like this. Three, everything correct. At Renko bars, calculate everything correct. And ask is 2710. Almost here. Yeah, like this. I don't see ask because it's not visible. I must do it like this. At Renko bars we cannot see ask for some reason. So all correct. For example, if you change, deviation will be as it was in default at visual, and in robot where is the deviation? 0.4. I'm sorry. I have to close it, and that also must open a buy signal, but for this we need some tick. Okay, now it's a buy signal. Why it tells us a buy? Because envelope 3560 everything correct. 3560 and ask is the same, 2713 correct. So robot works at even at Renko bars correct. Same you can do with envelope 2 using the same method as I told you for in this video. For envelope filter number 1 you can do and check everything by yourself using tip envelope filter number 2, using debug and alerts like this, and calculate everything using your mouse, where is this prices and where is everything like this. For this in robot you must activate debug true. Once you will be sure it work all correct, you can turn off this, so robot will work without these alerts. But once you will be sure that it's opened some wrong entries, you can activate it again and test. Even in tester it works. So in this case you can learn step by step what we created in these courses of the robot, and you can check all thema band strategies and choose and pick up in set file what strategies you like the most and learn it, and you will understand how to check it. So for Renko bars you understand that if you trade 3 pairs you must create 3 Renko charts, and in set you must use 3 pairs from one chart, robot trade from one chart. But in indicators you must use, if you activated some indicators, as you can see, for example tip SAR filter is type of SAR filter is 0. It means robot not use SAR filter at all, not use index all first parameter 0. We not use this indicator in this set. If CCI is 0 we not use this. But once we activated something like this, you have to learn video course what does it mean. For example type thema filter number 1, how it works, what it means, what is keep thema exposite, how robot can search signals at history and keep them till opposite. Everything is simple, but you must understand how to off and on this type of signals. If you activate two indicators, cell will be only if type envelope filter signal cell, and at the same time type SAR signal 1 signal also cell. Learn how it works and you will be more clear to understand how to use it. Robot cannot open any order if this indicator signal buy, but this indicator signal sell. Robot will never will never open some signal or order. Order will be opened only if two indicators signal same direction. If two different indicators that coded in robot activated, but they must signal in same direction. No other way.